Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum and we're at the Ele Dallas, also called the L Lower Greenville. And this is the one bedroom den. So it's an open floor plan and I just wanted to give you two or three quick walkthrough videos here. So there's the front door. We've just come through in there. It's a keyless entry, and then there's a nice den area so that you can use that for working. So you can have a home office here. It's rather big. That goes back about 10 feet, so maybe like 10 by 7, 10 by 8, something like that. So you could absolutely work here, maybe even 2 or 3 people, but also you can use it as a guest area. And then it's got a really nice, just kind of welcoming area here too, with lots of in the wall cabinet storage there. That's really cool. You also have the kitchen here. The kitchen's a really nice size. So you've got, wow, lots of space in here actually in this kitchen. This is great. You've got this huge 4-door fridge. That's a Whirlpool fridge with cabinets around it. And then more over here. You do have gas also here too. This is really cool. And then this is a very long space that goes back there. So you can have a lot of furniture here. This is quite impressive. This is really, really big. This is a 1-bedroom den. It feels like pretty much a 2-bedroom as far as the size. It's very nice. So really impressed with this, and I like how this feels in here. Hey, I'm going to go to another video because I want to explore the bedroom and the bathroom in here. So let's take a look at that now. If you have questions at any time about the L or about this floor plan or just about moving to Dallas, send me a text on the number below. And if you want to set up a tour, there's no quicker way to set up a great tour, free tour, than to text me and just ask. Okay, so let's go see some of the bedroom and the bathroom here at the L in this 1-bedroom den.